Sandhikshandas. Welcome back to my channel. Here is the noise shorts Neo 2. Its lightning deal price is 2000, but its real MRP is 6000. So I will do the review unbox. I will tell about its sound quality, about its microphone quality, how good it is it suitable for gaming or not, and everything about noise shorts Neo 2. Then stay tuned and keep watching this video till end. If you're new, then please consider subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, select all, you will receive all notifications from my side. Also don't forget to hit the like button below, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All links in the video description below. If you have any query regarding this noise shorts Neo 2 earbud, then you can ask below in the comment section. So let's start the review of all new noise shorts Neo 2. Here we go. So this is another newest model of noise under their earbud series, and I am doing the review after use of few weeks continuously. So I'm gonna give you the unbiased feedback regarding this earbuds. Also, if you buy it once, there are no return for refund option available on Amazon except replacement. So first watch this video till end, then make your decision. However, here the retail box pack of noise shorts Neo 2 that comes in simple off-white color with noise reflecting branding, earbuds image, model number printed on it. The earbuds image has been painted so well with kind of glossy 3D effect on the dotted back design with the hashtag music_everyday. At backside, every feature has been highlighted with customer care number. Yes, it comes with 1 year of brand warranty, while its MRP mentioned is rupees 5,999, means 6,000, and it is made in China, designed in India, but marketing in India by Haryana-based company Next Best Marketing Private Limited. It has 4 color variants: black, orange, blue, and green. Its lightning deal and real price is just rupees 2,299 and being sold on Amazon India. I have brought this raven black color for review. So let's see what comes inside the box. So here inside the box, there comes only the charging case with earbuds, 1 short micro USB cable, 2 extra rubber pads, and 2 fin ear muffs marked with left and right. Yes, ear muffs, kind of new thing, especially you can see at this noise earbud. Then 1 alcohol swab pad for disinfection of your earbuds after use outside, 1 quick start guide, 1 warranty registration guide, and 1 instruction manual written everything about this earbud. You must register your device for your warranty at their website, providing the earbuds and purchase details. So then as a thank you result, you will get rupees 200 coupon for next purchase from their website. If we look at design, then first we can see the black cobblestone size beautiful charging case made by polymer plastic, and that weighs only 32.5 grams. The build quality, it's so solid, no cheap material used. On the top there are noise branding. At the back there 1 micro SD port for charging only. Front there 1 LED indicator for the charging of the case and earbuds. Some more information at the below. The lid is totally magnetic, and inside there are the golden charging pin to charge the earbuds. Again, on another side, the earbuds are also impressive, quite bigger in size than any other normal budget earbuds in the market right now, and very lightweight, only 4.9 grams, made with solid polymer plastic which doesn't go suddenly broken if it accidentally fall off from your hands once or twice or thrice. Also, the whole body is IPX4 sweat and plus proof, which saves your earbud from any splash of water or sweat during workout, but makes your not total waterproof. So build quality is impressive and solid, no wobbling parts. Also, as per design, it looks premium. Also, there are golden charging connector at the below and side marking R and L, mean right and left at each respective earbuds. Also, you can change your silicone rubber pads as per your comfortness. On top of the earbud surface, there are the big noise logo followed by the LED indicators. The LED shows red during charging and green during pairing, and latter goes up. The noise logo area is a touch sensitive button for the noise shorts Neo 2, and there are no physical press button. Amazingly, the touch sensitive button works fine and smoothly. I have seen many other touch buttons on other brands earbuds at this budget, but the touch control is really good at this noise shorts Neo 2. I am not joking or kidding, but this is the reality. This is not an extra sensitive button, not below sensitive button. Then at the downside, binaural MEMS microphone hole at each earbud. The fin ear muffs are replaceable with the provided one or can remove those totally if you don't need. Actually, these fin ear muffs helps to maintain secure fit in your ear while you are driving or jogging or doing exercise. There are no discomfortness or pain during use, but I noticed the smallest rubber pad could be more smaller or not exactly smallest one, cause personally I had little bit fitting issue deeply in my ear canal. So for build quality and design, I can give the rating as 4.5 out of 5. Now next, another aspect, that is the battery. The charging case has 380 mAh of inbuilt lithium polymer battery that lies inside the case. It takes approx 1 hour 50 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. During charge, it blinks red if the battery level is below 60%, then blinks green if the battery level is in between 60 to 95%, and blinks white while the battery level is above 95%, and glows steady while its capacity goes full. So I think the charging case battery level indication could have been more perfect and accurate as per battery level. That's my personal opinion. On the other hand side, each earbuds are equipped with approx 63 mAh lithium polymer battery and total of 126 mAh for both earbuds. It gives very decent battery backup up to 5 hours on continuous use, mix of gameplay, watching of movies, video watching, listening music or making normal call, etc. at the 50% volume level. So as per calculation, you will get total 15 hours of playback time with the charging case and can make the earbuds fully charge up to 3 times from this charging case. It has about 70 hours of standby time. So to charge, simply put the earbuds back at the charging case, which takes near about 60 minutes to charge the both earbuds from 0 to 100%. So battery backup is good enough, but for the charging case, battery backup time should be more improved as per market standard, like at least 20 hours or 4 times charge of the both earbuds. Ideal rating for the battery should be 4 out of 5. Okay, battery is not so much bad, I can give that rating. And then if I talk about fittings and comfortness, yes, initially it stays totally fit in your ear during run, exercise or workout and really easy to plug in your ear canal, but for me there was only the small fitting issue which didn't reach deeply inside my ear canal in spite of attaching the smallest rubber pad, but it stays perfect in your position every time, even if you shake your head. Being lightweight, you cannot feel the weight of the earbuds but can feel the presence in your ear canal due to bigger size than any other budget earbuds, but that is not so much uncomfortable. So as per fittings and comfortness, it is very good. I have no big issue. Next, if I talk about its connectivity, then I can say it has Bluetooth 5.0 transmission chip with HFP, HSP, A2DP, AVRCP profile technology for quick connection with any other Android smartphone or iPhone. It gives up to 10 meters wireless connection range. Having Bluetooth 5.0, it provides quick connection and consumes less power. It reconnects instantly with your last paired smartphone when you need without any extra step. This feature has been named as HyperSync feature from the noise side. The earbuds provided me the stable wireless connection up to middle of my second room. But having Bluetooth 5.0, it cannot connect with dual smartphone at same time, which is obviously a lack of feature at most of the budget earbuds. Hence, regarding connection, there are no big issue, but thanks noise for not having any signal drop issue in between of use till the time I am doing this review. Obviously, I am using it few weeks continuously. If I talk about its audio latency due to wireless connection, then I can say most of the budget true wireless stereo earbuds has more audio latency, which is generally not ideal for gaming. But here at this noise source near to, they much reduced the audio latency up to 65 millisecond in SBC codec and 85 millisecond in AAC codec. So audio latency is almost invisible and much improved even than the Redmi earbuds or Realme Buds Q. Then if I talk about how to connect and disconnect, so making connection with your smartphone is quite simple and basic process like any other earbuds. Just you need to open the lid of the charging case. It will be automatically switched on and paired up instantly in between of them inside the charging case. You can also hear the sound notification too from its battery case. Then turn your smartphone's Bluetooth and search for Bluetooth name shorts near to. Tap to pair and done. It will be connected with your smartphone and the LED will go off as soon as you successfully connect it. As usual, you can see the battery level in your smartphone like any other earbud. So each time it automatically connects to the last paired device without any single issue. After your use, simply put them back in the charging case to turn off and start charging automatically, as I have told it before. Now I'm gonna talk about the sound, but first of that, I'm gonna talk about multifunction buttons. As I said before, it has touch controlled really smooth multifunction button area with noise branding symbol, where if you touch either earbud twice, then it will play or pause the music. On long press of the right earbud for 2 seconds, it will bring your next track of the music list. Same way, for 2 second long press on the left earbud, it will bring the previous track. Tap on the right earbud once to increase or left to decrease the volume level. During incoming call, simply touch once either earbud to receive the call and tap twice to disconnect the connected call. Touch and hold the either earbud for 2 seconds to reject your incoming call. Tap the left earbud thrice to activate Google Assistant or Siri, and right earbud to activate the gaming mode, which ensures by providing a sound effect. Yes, it has dedicated gaming mode, but it doesn't alert you during incoming call by any voice alert or reading that number. So overall, use of multifunction buttons are quite smooth, easy and proper. There are no effect of sudden accidental touch or much sensitivity. So again, rating for multifunction buttons are totally 5 out of 5 cause they're really great. And now, yes, I will talk about sound. Then, first of all, I want to say its sound is powered by only 6 small driver unit, but there are no claimed sound parameter specifications like frequency, impedance, etc. So I was listening the sound since last few weeks as my primary earbud. Here what I feel is that it has very clear sound with good bass effect at the background. Instrumental and vocal separations are really good. I was surprised to get such clear sound at this price instead of having small 6 driver unit rather than the market standard 8 or 10 or 12 driver. Probably we all know as much as bigger driver size, as much powerful sound the earbud will produce. So here somewhere it broke the myth, but as per technical term it is really true. The main reason of the sound clearness from this small unit may be due to no overboosted background bass effect. It produces the bass as it is needed in that song, but really powerful. You will enjoy every music from your heart, including any acoustic track, but obviously we cannot expect industry standard signature sound from this basic budget earbuds, right? Especially when we are considering the price point. So basically I have no complaint regarding the sound output. So for sound I can give rating about 4.5 out of 5. Here I'm gonna give you the quick concept of sound. Please wear your headphone to proceed and adjust your volume as per your require. Now if I talk about another aspect, that is microphone. Yes, the both earbuds are equipped with MEMS binaural microphone which has placed downwards at each earbuds. The microphone can be easily used to receive any call in between your work. There are no active or DSP noise cancellation. For microphone I will give rating about 3.5 out of 5. So the call is connected and you're gonna hear the live voice.
So this is the exact voice which you were hearing. That is the live voice, and it is totally recorded by its binaural microphone on the noise source.
To Yes, it has binaural microphone, and the exact voice is coming. And
I am talking about the normal level of my voice and normal pitch of my voice, and it has not good quality noise cancellation as because at this price point, what we are getting, we cannot expect so much at
2000 price point or 2500 price point. What I
I experienced, yeah, I have also used in the noisy area. I have also used in the club area, inside my room, inside the park, inside a shopping mall. Yes, it makes problem when you are in outside noisy area, but it will not make so much problem because at least it captures good quality sound, but obviously ambient noise are there. You can hear my background noise. It is totally capturing that. However, so that's the microphone quality which you are experiencing right now, and exactly this sound your caller will also hear when you're gonna call to any person.
when you are using this noise near shots too. I don't know how it is coming because I have also totally. If I consider the price point, then the yes,
At this 2000 price point or to up to 2500, it is okay actually. But if you consider the MRP 6000, then no, it's not that.
quality. I'll not recommend it. But yes, if we are getting lightning till 2000, then it is okay. Yeah, microphone is good. Not a dull one, not a best one, but it is good. Yes, it comes. It captures lots of noise, but yes, it delivers somewhat good quality sound. So finally, you can see its positive sides, but there are few negative points too. So what are the negative points? Then I can consider on the first that it has less battery backup capacity than its competitors, or it is not the market standard. At least it could be 20 hours or 25 hours as per the market. Second, there are no fast charging supported and no Type-C port is included for charging the case. Third one, I had little bit fitting issue with the rubber pads, but ear muffs helps to stay fit easily in the ear. A fourth one, microphone is really good but could be more clear with noise cancellation by the hardware level because it catches lots of noise, but the voice quality will capture somehow okay. A fifth one, the battery indicator could be more prominent and no LED blinks on earbuds after successful pairing. So we cannot understand that those earbuds are connected or not. So except these 5 points, there are no big negative points or big negative sides of this noise shots Neo 2. So at the last, if you want to know what's my verdict, should you buy or not? Here we can clearly see that it has good clear sound with almost good microphone, lower audio latency, solid build quality and standard battery life with premium looking. Hence, if you're finding a budget earbuds for your study or work or listening music or watching movies, then this can be your ideal choice at this budget. It also works with any smart TV or laptop too. Even if you can use it for gaming as it has much lower audio latency than its competitors. For gaming it is also good enough, but as it has almost good quality microphone but not the best one, here you can use the earbuds for casual calling only, but it will not be the ideal if you are gonna use it for professional purpose or in noisy area. So for dedicated calling, a gently no till you can do the basic calling with it, but you can obviously go for it for its clear sound and solid build quality and premium looking. Also it comes with 1 year of manufacturer warranty for free service or repair. You can grab the perfect deal on Amazon or from the Noise website, which price varies in between 2000 to 2300, or it can even go below of that. If we consider the deal price, then clearly it beats other competitors, but if we consider the MRP price 6000, then clearly it is not value worthy. There are lots of other best earbuds at that higher range, at the 6000 range, then obviously you shouldn't go, but you should obviously go if you consider the deal price only 2000 to 2300. However, that was my opinion and review of noise shots Neo 2 from my experience since use of last few weeks. If you have found this video helpful, then forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Comment below regarding your any technical query about these noise shots Neo 2 TWS earbuds, and keep watching my other reviews, tutorial and travel videos at the same time. So then I hope to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I was sandhikshandas signing up. Have a nice day. Bye.